Hi, folks. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku, a four-star Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, October the 5th, 2020. Yes, the fourth Sudoku is a four-star Sudoku. And this will be a number 1691. Yes, alright. So, before I start, I always count the printed digits, and this Sudoku has 24, one less than the previous Sudoku. I have already counted. If you don't believe it, you can check if this is correct. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? Pick? How about the number 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 2 boxes. There 707 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. In this big square also 7 missing numbers, and one of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 707 in these 3 boxes. There 707 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. Alright, I cannot continue with the 7. Let me do another digit. How about the number 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the row above? So in that row, only place for the 5 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about How about yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see there 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in this third row, a 5 in one of those these two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 4. How about the number we have a 7 there. These two numbers in this big square are reserved for the numbers 3 and 6. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair, 3 and a 6. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 6 anymore. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So this should be a 3 and this should be a 6. So now we have a pair in this big square for the numbers 3 and a 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in the last row, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 3 and a 7. Okay. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in those 3 boxes. We have a 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in those 3 boxes in this column. So the 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yes. Alright, so now we have in this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes, so the 8 could be here or could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the 4. We see therefore no 4 in those 3 boxes, so the 4 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes should be the 4. We have here 3 and a 6, 4 and the 9. 4 and a 9. Okay. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next. These 2 boxes could be a 6. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. one of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this can't be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be the 3. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then 3, 3, 3, 3. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. That means we, in this big square, one of the missing number is a 5. We have 6 missing numbers. Here 5, that means no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here or there. We see there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Same like here, 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 5 could be here, could be there. 3, 1. Yeah. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. The 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row, the row above for the number 3, I believe. 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 6 and 2. 6 and 2, we see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. and the 6 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. These 2 numbers in this third row are for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Let me mark them for you. 1 and 9. These 2 boxes in this big square are for the numbers 9 and 6. We have here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. 5 and 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. Then 2 numbers left. Oh, wait. 1 number left in the first column. This should be the number 3 is missing. No, 3 we have. 6 is missing. Yes. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 6 I have marked in these 2 boxes. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 4 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them 4 and the 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 6 in... No. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This box should be the 6, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. So this box should be a 9, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box left for this column for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9, we have there an 8. 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku 4 stars and the previous a 3 stars. How could that be? Yes, how could that be? But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon. I will continue with the other 2 tectonics and 2 binaries. So see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.